Hello guys, welcome to Edukartik. Today we are going to start with exercise 11.4, question number 4. Okay, so in previous video I have done the first 3 questions from this exercise, and today we are going to do the 4 questions. Next 4 questions mean 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th questions of this exercise. So in this 4th question, it is given that the 1/4 of radius of Earth is the radius of Moon. If you do this, so radius of Earth will be 4 times the radius of Moon. So here we have to find out what fraction of Earth's volume will be a Moon's volume. Like 1/4 the Earth volume is Earth's radius is Moon's radius. So what fraction of volume will be there? Okay, this was the fraction of radius. So we have to find out the volume. Okay, so volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Earth. Okay, Earth will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So since this is r, so this would be 4r obviously. So Moon equal to 4 by 3 pi into 4r cube, which would be 4 4 16 4 64. 64 times of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now we'll find the ratio. Earth is to Moon. Okay. Now wait. Here, like this was the 4 times of this would be Earth, and this would be Moon. Okay. Why? Because see, the Moon's radius is r, so Earth's radius will be 4 times, means 4r. Okay. Now Earth's radius is 64 times of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, is to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this will get cancelled. Answer will be 64 is to 1. Means if its volume is 64, so its volume will be 1. So what fraction of, like we have to find out what fraction the volume of Earth will be volume of Moon. Okay, what fraction of volume of Earth? So if 1 by 64 volume of Earth equal to volume of Moon. Am I right? Yes. 164 the volume of Earth will be volume of Moon. Now we'll continue with the next question. Continuing with the next question. Here it is given that there is a bowl, hemispherical bowl, in which the radius is 5.25 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find out how many liters of milk it can hold in it. So we all know that we have to firstly find the volume. Volume equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so it would be 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5.25. So 5.25 into 5.25 into again 5.25. Okay. Now see, nothing is getting cancelled. So what would we do? Like we will just solve this and get the answer. Okay. Upon this it would be divided by 21, and when you solve this you will get the answer. Okay, how do you get the answer? It is written. Okay. So answer would be approximately 303 centimeter cube, approximately it is. Okay. By the way, it will go in points, so many digits, but we just take approximately 303. Now, we know that. Okay, we know that. So once, like 1 liter equal to how many centimeter cube? 1 liter equals to how many centimeter cube? 1000 centimeter cube. Therefore, 303 centimeter cube equals to 0.303 liter. Okay, or you can write 303 by 1000 equals to 0.303 liter. If you want to convert it in milliliter, so you can, it's your wish, but in the question it is given to find out in liters, so it can hold 303 0.303 liters of milk. Okay, or you can write 303 ml of milk. Now this is a very easy question. Now we'll continue with the next question. Now in this question, it has been given that there is a hemispherical tank. Tank means which stores the water. Okay, it is given that its radius is 1 meter and it has been made with the iron tank, which iron covering, which is 1 centimeter thick, only 1 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find out the volume of iron which has been used to make it. Now, which iron would we use to make it? This much iron. Okay, like this region's volume we have to find out. So, volume of iron equal to volume of big sphere minus small sphere. Okay, see, even if you don't know the formula and all the things like how will you solve and you are confused, so there is a trick. You just write the formula and you just write thing what you have to do in this question, then you write the formulas. Okay, and then you solve, and at last if you are not able to find the answer, then also you will get 4.5 marks out of 5. Okay, now let's see volume of this big sphere. Like the formula of finding this. So first of all, we'll write the radius, big radius. Okay, so what is big radius? Oh, this is not working. We'll just use a black one. Big radius. Okay, big radius will be 1 plus 1. 1 plus 0.01. Okay, 0.01. Why? Because 1 centimeter equals to 0.01 meters. Okay, this you have to do. So it would be like 1.01 meter. Now volume of iron equals to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into bracket big R cube minus small r cube. See, if it would have been asked that what is the volume of tank, then you would have just found out the volume of this tank. But it is asked to find out the volume of this much part. Then you have to do big hemisphere minus small hemisphere. Okay. So big r cube minus small r cube. The big radius is 1.01. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.01 cube. 1.01 cube is 1.30301. Okay, 1.030301. Okay, minus small r cube, 1 cube, which is 1 only. When we solve this, we get 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.30301. 0.030301. Okay, when we solve this, we get 2 into 22 into 0.030301 divided by 21. So answer we get will be approximately equal to 0.0634 meters cube. Okay, this would be our approximate answer. Now we will continue with the last question of our video. Now over here it is given that there is a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Now we have to find out its radius. So we know that surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. Now surface area of sphere is given 154 equals to 4 pi r square. 154 by 4 into 22 into 7 equals to r square. Now it would be 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12. Yes, 4 3 times. So 12 3 4 34 is left. So what we get is to cut it from like 22, 110, 12 times. Okay, this would be 12 times, this would be 3 times. Okay, now wait, something is wrong. 154 into 7, and when we cancel it, this would be 11, this would be like 2 6 are 12, 24, 2 7s are 14. Okay, 14. Now 1 4 again, 2 7s are 14, 11 7 times. Now 7 7s are, it would be 49 by 4 equal to r square. Okay, so r will be 49, root of 49 is 7 and root of 4 is 2. Now 7 divided by 2, r is 3.5 centimeters. Okay, this would be our final answer. Sorry for the mistake here. Okay, now we will meet each other in the next video. Until then, bye bye. See you all in the next video.